Hi everyone, is your iPhone not updating to the latest iOS version? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Check internet connections. First, make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. Step 2. Check storage space. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. If storage is full, delete some apps or video to make space. Step 3. Charge your iPhone. Make sure your battery is above 50% or connect your iPhone to a charger. Step 4. Restart your phone. Now, restart your phone. This can fix small update problems. Step 5. Check software update again. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and try downloading the update again. Step 6. Reset network settings. If still not working, go to Settings, General, Transfer or reset iPhone, reset network settings. And that's it. These steps should help your iPhone update to the latest iOS version. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy iPhone tips.